Hi Nicole, are you excited? Yeah. So, i-drop off lang namin si Nicole dito sa church mga kalabs. So, meron siyang church camp. So, starting today's Friday, will end on Sunday. And then habang nasa camp siya, Papa Dib and I decided to go to a road trip even though the weather is really rainy day. Punta kami ng Okanagan. Actually, we know that it's going to rain, pero I think tomorrow will be better. So sana, kasi today is 100% rain. How long is the drive, lab? 7?
Well, it says 4 hours, but
Yeah.
you know.
So yeah, this is our first road trip ni Papa Dave.
What's
Summertime.
our post road trip? Oh, of the
It's
year.
of the year. Yeah, this 2026 because
I thought you meant ever.
no, we went for a long one before, but yeah, so this is the first time again this year na magro-road trip kami ni Papa Dave. And we decided to go, hindi sana kasi nga kaso nga lang si Nicole wala sa bahay, and then pipick upin din namin siya sa Sunday. So sabi namin, let's go for a quick road trip sa Okanagan, and then after that we pick up Nicole. So yun. Ay. Let's see kung gusto ko kasi makakita ng cherry trees. Let's see kung makakita tayo kasi I love cherry trees. I remember Papa Dib surprised me with that cherry trees before. I don't know which part is that. Is that Okanagan? Or farther from Okanagan?
It's Okanagan.
Yeah. So let's see. Sana mag-clear yung sky para maganda naman yung natin, road trip natin. And I'm excited for Nicole kasi this is her first time to do a camp. And the first time will be church camp. Hindi siya regular na camping. Yeah, right Nicole?
Yeah, they have like services and stuff.
Yeah, and reading Bibles and stuff like that, right? Yeah, so maaga kami. It's already 11:58. Supposed to be the drop off will be 11:30 or something like that.
No, 12:45.
Oh no, sorry. The drop off is 12:30 and 12:45 you need to leave, and you're taking bus to go to your your camp. So ayun, hintayin lang namin yung mga kalabs, yung time, and then we will go to our road trip. Okay, na-drop off na po natin si Nicole. I am super proud of her. You know, love? Aww. First time niya tong gawin eh. We've been forcing her to do camp or something like that, but she never say yes. But finally, someone convinced her to join. So, his name is Secret.
Boyfriend.
It's a boy. So, sana, mag-enjoy siya. That's what I want. Like, she enjoyed it. She learned something. So anyway, we are going to Republica Coffee Shop first before we are going to do our long trip. What is this, love? We just did our long vacation and now we're taking another vacation.
It just seems that we can't stop. It's very addicting, expensive habit, isn't it?
What do you prefer to be your addiction? Is like shopping expensive stuff or traveling? What do
Shopping
you
expensive stuff.
Oh no. You're not like that though.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I can't afford expensive stuff, so I just go traveling instead.
traveling. Oh, look at this. Traveling. I think kayo mga kalabs, comment down below. What do you prefer? Spend a lot of money buying luxury stuff or
memories.
memories? Comment down below. I wanted to know as well. Because us, you know that already. We love spend a lot of money for our memories. So let me know in the comment section. na kami sa Hope mga kalalabs. And we are charging our car. And then, we got our chips. So, ang napili ni Papa Dib ay sour cream, green onion, and it has bacon. Yay. Kain po. Pag ano kasi, naglo-long drive tayo mga kalalabs or road trip, you need something to eat. Kasi parang parang 1 hour, 2 hours nakaka-board. So, kailangan maminginunguya ka talaga. Sabi ko, Papa Dib, sure ka gusto mo ng chips? Sabi niya, yes. You get bored when you're driving, when you're not eating, eh? Kasi si mama ko ganyan dati. Pag sumasakay ng bus yun, kailangan meron siyang binibiling.
Cold, it's only 11.
I told you, si Papa Dave, hindi siya nagdala ng jacket niya. Akala ko kanina, nung binuksan niya yung...
It's gonna be 4 tonight. No, 4, it's the summer.
Oh no, it's winter time. Akala ko kanina, nung binuksan niya yung cabinet namin, kumuha siya ng hoodie niya. Hindi pala siya kumuha. Sabi ko, hala, wala kang hoodie. Nicole has a hoodie in there, at the back.
Does she?
I think so.
Oh, then I'll take it.
At parang meron yata. I'll check. Kasi it's still raining. Hindi masyadong...
It's not gonna be as cold and protecting though. It's
Yeah.
gonna warmer.
Hindi masyadong pleasant yung mga kalabs, yung driving. Kasi, nakakatakot siya. Kasi nga, yung sasakyan, di ba, pag merong nasa harapan mo, tapos ang bilis nilang mag-drive, yung talsik ng tubig, pupunta sa harapan ng car, di ba? Tapos yung wala kang makita sa harapan, parang ang hirap mag-drive. Sabi ko kay Papa, di, huwag kang mabilis, like slowly lang. Kasi, hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari. At saka, yung ang pangalan nito, yung daan, baka slippery, ganun, di ba? Mas okay na yung makarating ka ng safe sa lugar na pupuntahan mo ng kahit matagal kang mag-drive dyan. Kesa naman mabilis ka, disgrasya naman yung haharapin natin, di ba? I thought you said si Belle. Si Doc pala. Okay, we're done charging mga kalalas. Let's go again.
Oh, look at the teepee.
Oh, tipi.
See it?
Yeah, I saw that.
That's cool.
Beautiful, huh?
So it is a native area.
Sobrang ganda, mga kalabs yung view na nakikita
Country
natin.
market. Oh, it's Headley.
Yeah, I think we stopped
We did
here
see
before.
stop here
Yeah. Look at that little shop.
Let's go into Headley again because it was.
We drive here too. Look at that.
Yeah,
It's so
I
cute.
found that very fascinating. The city
Yeah.
because it's like it's one of the smallest towns in BC,
Mhm.
Now
and
turn right onto Haynes Street.
it's very what's it called?
Very what? So
It's
beautiful.
just a very interesting little spot because it's like, look at this little museum.
Yeah.
More tourists
Now
come
turn
here
right.
because it's on the side of a highway,
Mhm.
and you see the kids, see these small
Kids,
towns.
mini houses, like maliliit na bahay.
But really,
Oh.
there's nothing like we're almost done the whole city. It's a very, very, very small city.
Yeah.
But the reason why it exists, like look at that home,
Yeah.
and from the 1920s or whatever, right?
Yeah, they're old houses, right?
But you know why?
Why?
This used to be a gold mining town. It was gold here.
Oh.
And for the
But
long-
now they're
That's
not
gone.
doing that. Oh,
Yeah.
really?
So in the 1920s or whatever, and that's why you got this nice
Houses.
Victorian home,
Mm.
right? That's kind of weird. That sticks out here. Like, why is it like that?
Mm.
It's because in the 1920s, all the gold miners came here for the longest time.
And then they're the one who lives here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at those houses, mga
And
kalalabs.
of course, well, the gold miners probably all left and
Yeah.
died. But
Mm.
you know,
Oh.
fire hydrant station.
Yeah, look at that fire
Really not
station.
very- I guess we're done the city already, but good to see.
It's a really cute little town.
It is kind of cool. It's
And there's like
interesting
banana
place.
tree there. Maybe it's a Filipino live there.
I hope so.
You never know.
Look at that. We got the Stray Horse Station. There you can go. You talk about the neighborhood.
Yeah, coffee shop.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. It's a sari-sari store. This is not good, though.
I was telling you earlier, I'm like, I like this, but this is not
No,
good.
this is very dangerous.
Yeah,
Like,
it
it's
is.
so, you can't even see.
Can't see it, I'm slipping around too.
Yeah.
And there's a lineup of cars behind me.
Oh, they need to wait. We can't drive like fast. Look at that. It's so scary.
Alright, scary.
Nandito na kami sa hotel, mga kalalabs. Lab,
What?
can you please turn off the aircon?
it's freezing in here, isn't it?
It's cold. Maybe turn it off. How to turn this off? Like, the weather is weird, mga kalalabs, kasi like ulan, aaraw, uulan, tapos aaraw. So ngayon meron kayong nakikita sunny, nice light, pero it's raining, like meron siyang umaambon. Turned it off instead. Yeah, that's good lang. What's the view there?
It's a nice view.
Can I see? This is our view. Oh my god, it's still like running. It's off, but the fan, oh there you go, perfect. Ito yung pa-view natin. O, tingnan nyo, mga kalalabs, umuulan. Oh my. Blue sky doon sa other, like doon sa side na yon, tapos dito umuulan. Oh, it's a nice place actually. Like, tingnan nyo yung bed. We have our queen size bed. Tag-isa kami ni Papa Dave. And, it's our first time actually to stay sa hotel na ganito. The name of this place is Coast Hotel. Oh, it's raining a lot. Paiba-iba talaga. Tingnan niya, mga kalalabs. So, ayan. Tapos, ganito yung itsura ng labas ng hotel. So, doon yung lobby, and then meron silang mga rooms dyan. So, it's our first time actually to stay of this kind of hotel. What do you call this?
Motel.
Also, this but it didn't say it's motel, it's hotels. Right? Like, as you can see there, it's supposed to be like alam niyo yun, mga kabs, supposed to be there, like, coast motels, not hotels. Diba? Pero, comment down below kung anong tawag niyo dito sa ganitong hotel. Kasi hotels yan eh. May rainbow. Oh my God, what a weird weather. Kakaiba yun. Dalawang rainbows. Look, babe, 2 rainbows.
That's cool.
Yeah, like look, 1, 2. Wow, that's amazing. 2 rainbows.
Here, I'm gonna film.
Oh, I'm gonna film the rainbows. It's beautiful. Get ready muna tayo, mga kalalabs. At lalabas kami kaagad ni Papa Dave para kumain ng dinner. So, it's almost 8 p.m. na. And expected naman na yung dating namin dito sa, sa Okanagan or Penticton. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Is around 7:30. And sakto naman siya. Kung hindi lang sana yung weather na nadaanan natin is maganda or sunny na talagang maaraw ng diretsyo, hindi tayo mabagal mag-drive. Pero, syempre, di ba? Safety first. Pwede ka namang mag-drive ng mabilis kung gusto mo makarating sa destination mo. Pero, mas okay na, unahin ang kaligtasan. Di ba? Dito na kami sa restaurant, mga kalalabs. Ganda ng restaurant na to, oh. Tapos, tingnan nyo tong menu nila. Meron silang Filipino fried rice, crispy pork belly adobo. Sounds good. Parang gusto ko yan. Yan na lang yata orderin ko. Maingay lang masyado dito sa restaurant, mga kalalab. So, anyway, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung nakaka-proud. Meron silang Filipino fried rice. Yan na lang orderin ko kasi gutom na rin ako. Lab, what did you order?
Small portion.
Tingnan nyo, ang laki-laki pala nito. Oh my God, and we ordered 2 items. So, we have pork ribs and then this one. The fried rice with Filipino fried rice. Oh my God, that's a lot. So, let's see kung masarap ba siya. Magandang umaga. Good morning, malab. Good morning po, mga kalalabs. We are going to explore Penticton today. First, we're going to the farmer's market. We will get our breakfast and coffee, something like that. And then, we are going to find our cherry. So, gusto ko talaga mag-pick ng cherry if ever na they will have. But if you don't have it, it's okay lang din. And you can just buy, the cherry. Kasi masarap ang cherry mga kalalabs. Nandito na tayo sa farmer's market. Let's see if what can we buy here. Oh, there's like mga accessories. May nakita ako dun sa bungad na mga sauce, gano'n. See kung makakabili ako niyan. That's a sample of available.
Relish.
Where's it?
Sizzling hot pepper relish.
Fresh from the garden. Yeah. Yeah, looks good.
Does
It
look
is
kinda
very
cool.
spicy, I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Oh, okay.
Well, yeah, it's
Oh.
sizzling hot.
Oh, yeah,
you don't
that's
have to
what it
lie.
says here.
It already says it.
It's very spicy.
We also have rhubarb relish.
What is this one then?
Cool. Oh,
Yeah. What is that
Kind of a
one?
neat idea, actually.
Yeah. But that one is spicy. We can't eat spicy, so.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
She's Thai and can't eat spicy. It's
I'm
weird.
not Thai. Thank you.
Oh, you're not?
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
weird.
And then meron silang mga sabon din dito, mga skincare. It's really nice, right? Mga sabon. Oh. What is this one? Oh. Is it soft, lab?
Then we could sleep with it,
Oh,
right?
it's so
and then
soft.
it's like having a goat without having a goat.
You and your goat, love. Okay, ikot-ikot lang kami dito mga kalalabs. And then, titingin kung may mabibili. Kung wala naman, hanap kami ng ng makakain namin for breakfast. That's a raspberry. I didn't see any cherries yet.
Not cherry season.
Oh no. Is that a honey, love?
Hmm?
Honey.
You're my honey. No, come look
You're
at
my
the piece.
honey. Tingnan nyo yung mga cherries, mga kalalabs. So, meron silang red, meron silang yellow na cherries. So, yung price niya is small, $6, $13, and $20. Wow, that's a lot of cherries. So, how many, love? Is this the $10?
One bunch is $10. Yeah.
Wow. So, let's find a better one then. This one is good?
Up to you.
Should we
Use
get...
garlic leaves?
I know, right? Oh, I never have a garlic leaves before.
I don't know if you can or not, but you can ask.
Yeah. Oh, can we or no? Oh my god, I can't. Should we get this one? I think this one is fine,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Mm.
Let's try it.
Did you ever try to this one, Bev? What is this one?
What are those?
I don't know.
I say go for it.
Huh?
Look at that purple cauliflower.
Are they not going to get bad, lab?
Huh?
So when we're traveling tomorrow back home, do you think it will get bad or
I'm
no?
not sure. Yeah. Ask how long it will last.
Yeah. Oh, look at that lavender, cauliflower.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, I
needs
like
to?
that. Yeah. We got our garlic, mga kalalabs. It's $10 for fresh garlic. Right? It's not bad. So ngayon, tingin pa kami ng iba. Maybe we should try that peach, love. Do you want to try the peach? Oh, look at this one. Peach, what is that? Juice or beer?
Beer.
Wow, they have different kind of flavor. Ganda naman ng mug na to, oh. Hello. Damit ng mga bata. Good timing yung pagpunta namin dito, mga kalalabs, kasi marami silang kaganapan. So, meron silang Elvis.
Was there Elvis impersonators?
Yeah,
show?
and then car shows, farmer's market. And it's good because the weather is really nice today.
Hmm.
It's not raining. Wow, there's a lot of cars.
Maybe.
Pumili na kami ng garlic.
Should we
Bitbit ni
eat
pa.
and come back so we could actually see all the cars? Because I want to actually look at them
Yeah, sure.
instead of.
Let's find our restaurant then.
Want to go
Let's eat.
up this street and then there to that Ukrainian spot?
Okay.
We'll go up here so it's less crowded and we get there faster.
So breakfast muna kami, mga kalabs, kasi I think it's almost 11 na. Di pa kami in
Hungry.
I think I need a coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get some
And
coffee
that
and
way, when we
food.
come back here,
Yeah.
we will. Yeah, we'll like kind of stop and look at the cars.
Oh, maybe we can drop off that garlic in the car.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, let's drop off that. We don't want to carry that around.
That's true. It is kind
Look.
of weird. It's
Garlic. You're a garlic man.
mm. when we put it in the car, it'd be called garlic.
Garlic. Kape-kape time, mga kalalabs. I don't know if you want your... Okay. Tara! Yes! Nakapag-order na kami ng aming food. So, yung coffee dito, meron silang Biscoff na cookies. And this restaurant is really nice. It's a French restaurant, mga kalalabs. So, we ordered French onion and then grapes. Hintayin na lang namin yung food namin. But for now, kape tayo. Tapos na tayong nag-breakfast, mga kalalabs. And we are going to walk around with our garlic. Idadrop off sana namin yung garlic sa car. Pero dahil malayo yung car, tapos back na naman kami dito sa may beach area o dito sa farm market. Sabi ni Papa Dave, i-carry ko na lang around. Sabi ko, okay. Siya naman magdadala. Anyway, yung breakfast namin is good. Perfect lang siya. And, i-share ko pala yung expenses namin dito sa 2 days road trip namin dito sa Okanagan, mga kalalabs. Panoorin nyo na lang yung susunod na vlog. Kasi syempre, nandito pa kami and we don't know how much we will spend. So, I will share it to all of you kung magkano yung nagastos namin just doing this road trip. Vancouver to Okanagan. Tingnan nyo itong mga cars, mga kalalabs. Pag may dumadaan na ganitong like, yung parang babatukan mo yung kasama mo. Pagong, parang ganon. If ever na alam niyo yung game na yon. So, 1957 yan, yung car na yan. Tapos ito, that one is the 1957, and this one 1956. Wow, look at that. Binibenta kaya nila tong mga to? Or they just like, park it here for the, like parang for the show. Tingnan niyo tong red car na to. Love, look at that car.
Where?
The red car.
Oh yeah, look at
This one looks so beautiful. Ano yan? Anong year to? 1939? 1939? Ang daming mahilig sa car, oh.
So what's cool about this?
What is this one?
Okay, you know when you see like a Lamborghini or Ferrari on the street in Vancouver?
Yeah?
So this is from 1970s kind of version.
Oh, wow.
This is what they would look like in the 1970s.
Looks amazing, eh?
Cool, right?
It still work, right?
Oh yeah.
Look at this one, too. Like yung makina niya, you can see the machine and the inside looks like. Look at that. Ay, ang daming car dito, mga kalalabs, na unique. Mga 1980s, ganyan. Olive. Tingnan nyo naman to mga bata na to. Oh, malamig pa rin yung tubig na yan, B. Ala, they're having fun. Tapos hindi siya malalim, hanggang tuhod lang yata. Hanggang dyan lang. Comment down below, ano yung ibig sabihin ng mga na yan, yung mga cone na yan na naka-float sa water. Like yung hindi ka pwedeng mag-over or something like that. Comment down below kasi hindi ko alam eh. And this is the view sa kanilang beach. And then, yung mga unique cars is hanggang doon pa pala sa dulo. So, lalakarin lang natin. Check out natin lahat. Kasi marami kaming time ni Papa Dave. Jumi Janet na, mga kalalabs. Jumi Janet. Umiinit means it's getting hot. Jumi Janet. May sariling word. Jumi Janet. But looks beautiful day today. Kailangan lang talaga natin ng sunscreen. Papa Dave, you should apply sunscreen. You know, it's like 23 degrees, but that is still need a sunscreen.
Doesn't matter how hot, right?
Yeah.
It's the UV.
That's right. So you
yesterday,
should.
no need. But today, yeah, should
We need, yeah. Sabi ko mag-apply ka sunscreen kasi iba yung init. Not too hot, but still hot. So, andito na tayo sa winery, mga kalalabs. Ang pangalan ay Riverstone. So, we don't know kung kailangan mo magbayad ng... Where's the thing though? Kailangan ba nating magbayad ng entrance fee or something like that? We don't know. So, tignan nyo itong mga kalalabs. Pa-view na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Looks so beautiful. Tapos, meron silang mga grapes dito na, ayan, tanim. Of course, it's a winery. So, alam nyo na, ang wine galing sa grapes. Looks so beautiful here. So, ito yung ating pa-view na hindi pa ready yung mga grapes nila, pero ang dami niyang bunga, oh. Kita nyo ba yan? Look at that. Imagine, meron kang farm na ganito, or sa paligid ng bahay mo, may ganito. Ay, magiging happy tayo dyan. Yan, yan, dami niyang bunga, oh. Yung grapes. Looks amazing. Tapos, dyan ka iinom ng wine if ever na gusto mong uminom ng wine. Pero syempre, hindi kami iinom ng wine kasi si Papa Dave nagda-drive. Pwede ako, pero hindi naman ako iinom ng wine sa ganitong oras. Ay, hindi pwede yan. Hindi ko carry bells. So, ito po yung pricing nila. So, ayan, welcome to Riverstone State Winery. So, meron silang $10, 15 to 30 minutes. Garden View seated $25. So yan yung nila. Yan yung kanilang mga prices. Hi. Oh, do you want a drink?
I want to talk to you for a minute.
What are you? Okay.
1 o'clock. We need to we know what kind of wine do you like to drink, so come.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
So bibili kami ng wine, mga kalalab. So ito yung prices nila. So you can like buy bottled or yung mini na ganito. So 4 sets siya. The price is around $7.11, something like that. So ganito yung itsura ng bibilhin namin para matry namin yung different kind of flavor. And they also have those ones. Oh, that's cool. Let's go to the another destination, mga kalalabs. We are going to Usuyos. Usuyos! That's a nice stop, love.
Yeah.
Right?
Let's see.
It's a nice
Let's
stop.
drive around inside all.
Okay.
So let's go to like for example.
Sayang, wala si Nicole. She will also enjoy the car show, si Nicole. Because we know that she loves cars. Too bad. But anyway, I'm still happy that Nicole is doing the church camp. Kasi she said she enjoyed it. So, I feel like it's okay also. Pero si Nicole kasi, pag niyayaya namin yun mag-road trip, she always say no. But then, she messaged us and she saw our Instagram post. And then she said, oh, you went to the car show.
She said cat show.
Cat show.
She said you went to the cat show.
Yeah, sayang wala siya. Kasi she loves cars. She will enjoy that place today. But, anyway. We didn't expect that too. That they will have those ones. Kaya-
That's why we stayed there.
Yeah.
And same with the Elvis.
Yeah.
But we missed the Elvis.
It's a beautiful place to stop by here.
Look at that car. It looks like a tank. How fat it is.
Oh yeah. They have a lot of dito mga kalabs, grapes. I don't know when they will be ready. But, when they're big, it's beautiful to, to harvest them and stuff like that, right? Oh, I hope we can find our cherry. That's the last one that in my bucket list today. The cherry. Picking cherries.
Turn right onto Tuvalu.
Nahanap natin yung mga kalalabs, cherry farm. So, dito sa side na to, cherries, and then this side is grapes. So, kung magpipick ka ng own cherries mo, they will charge you per pound. So, $3 per pound. Some places is like $2, pero ito yung nakita namin na una. So, magpick na lang tayo dito kasi dito naman lang tayo. And sabi nila, iba't ibang klase daw yung na to, cherries. Meron yung crispier, sweeter, may less sweet, and then not crispy. So, Papa Dibench. So, I will pay first, and then we will pick our cherries. Doon sa bungad, mas marami yung bunga. Pero dito, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng cherries to. Hello! How are you? Good, good, good. Look at those cherries. So many. Wow. Okay, hintayin natin si Papa. Magbabayad lang ako, kukuha tayo ng basket and we will pick. Of course, we will find the best one here. Oh my God, how can we reach that? We can't reach it. You gotta jump? Okay.
Look.
Which one?
Right up there.
Oh
It's a
my.
big cluster of them, right?
Okay.
And so, luckily I am really tall, and I will bring it down because I'm a gentleman,
I'm a gentleman.
right?
Oh, look at that. Oops.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is
Okinagan.
happiness. Okanagan. Okay, I wanna try first.
What do you
Let's
mean?
try.
There's more.
I know, but let's try the other one. I like the bigger one. Let's try. Mmm,
Really?
it's good. Mmm. Look at this one, love. This is a bigger one.
Oops. Oh
There.
yeah, those are beautiful.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is like amazing. Look at this. Oh, this is
Oops.
there.
There we
Wow,
go.
I'm so happy.
Wow.
Happy.
This is...
Ay, oops, nalaglag.
Oh no.
Oh,
It's a
no.
waste.
No, it's not a waste. Some of them is like rotten, right? So you need to. Oh,
Oh my goodness.
so this one is rotten. So you
Oh,
need
yeah.
to throw that one and just pick like.
Oh, yeah,
Pick
you
the
gotta
better
watch out.
one.
Yeah, you gotta watch
Yeah.
out.
And I want to keep the. Yung ito oh, yung tangkay niya.
This is genius because they get you to do the work for them. Right?
Make it cheaper for them. Labor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. There. So, magpipik lang kami ng cherries namin mga kalalabs. And then after this, we will go to our next destination. But i-enjoy ko na lang muna yung pagpipik ko ng cherries. Because, oops! It's really, like,
Pretty cool.
yeah, it's really pretty cool. And it's like, I'm so happy. There you go. Okay. There's a lot of trees, cherry trees here, mga kalabs, the whole place. Like, tignan nyo, oh. Like, straight doon, tapos in the front, there's a lot. So, by the time you pay for your cherries, you're already full because you keep eating. Right, love? Thank you, cherry much. Okay. Let's do this. Kanina, sabi ni Kuya, they will accept card. And I only have $2 cash. So, kasi konti lang naman yung kailangan namin. Like, we just need like, 2 pounds or something like that. And it's just for experience. And then, sabi ni tatay, no, we only take cash. And we have 2 pounds. Right, love?
Yeah.
So, that is $6. And I said, oh, I only have $2. And then he said, no, take it all for $2. It's fine. I was like, no, we just need some. Like, a little bit. Hindi namin kailangan ng marami, sabi namin ganun. It's just for experience. I said, take it all. No, we're fine. So, he's trying to give that all, like, all the cherries that we pick for $2 only, for 2 pounds. Nahiya naman kami. Sabi namin, no, we only need some. It's nice. It's a
That was
kind,
nice,
yeah.
Actually, you know what?
Mm.
Because when you accept a credit card, it
Mm.
costs 60 cents
Uh-huh.
plus 3%.
Yeah.
So, if you would have accepted a card for $2, it's already 60 cents lost.
Mm.
Plus 3% is another,
Yeah.
6 cents. So he would have only got $1.40.
So anyway, we left the rest, like we took only like a little bit, and then he can put the cherries that we pick in the basket so they can sell it somewhere else. So we did the labor. we did the labor.
We did the labor. Very smart.
Yeah, but he's nice. He's very kind. Yung mga ibang Indian mga kalabs, they're very kind. They're very like, they have a big heart as well, those people. May mga, sometimes pag tayo, di ba, nasasabi natin na yung mga Indian, ang pangat ng ugali, ganito, ganyan sila. Pero not all of them is like that. Some Indian people, like Filipino as well, some of us is kind, like, some of us is not. So it's like Canadian.
Mm.
Some of them is not kind, some of them is kind. So we just need to like, I think,
That's just humans.
yeah, we just need to respect each other and just, may experience mo din talaga yung syempre, it's a human thing. Like, we will react right away. There's a lot of apples. Apple tree, peach trees, and grapes. Oh, that's nice. It's a good experience to pick some cherries. Yes. Charge kami ng car, mga kalalab. So, habang nagja-charge, ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa Osoyoos. O, diba? Like, napuntahan natin yung mga little town sa, Okanagan. I really love these flowers. Like, sobrang ganda nila. Diba? Okay. Let's check it out. Kung meron tayong makikitang interesting here. But of course, mga kalalabs, kung ano yung nakita nyo doon sa Penticton town, ganon din dito. So, same but different. Look at that mountain. I really love the mountain, mga kalalabs. Hindi kami tumigil ni Papa Dave na makahanap nitong yerba mate na ito. This one. This is our, ano talaga, like the best thing to drink if you're feeling tired na. Kasi, meron tong caffeine eh. And then it's refreshing. Pwede rin kayo mag-stay dito mga kalalab sa Osoyoos. Maganda din naman siya. Because they have, if you're looking for beach or lake, they have a, like, it's a beautiful lake as well. Marami din silang hotel dito. So, yung hotel namin doon sa ano, Penticton East Coast Hotel, they also have it here. Look at that, oh. That's hotel. Looks so beautiful. Like, malapit na rin kayo sa mga farm, or if you like farm as well. Look at those ones. It's a farm. Like winery, stuff like that. So, pwede rin kayo mag-stay dito. Tingnan nyo to mga kalalabs. O, nasa viewpoint tayo ng Osoyoos. This is, they call it Lululemon logo. itong ano na yan. And then this is the whole Osoyoos. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So as you can see, there's like farm, yung mga nadaanan natin kanina, and then yung lake, and then the city of Osoyoos. Kaya nyo. So beautiful. Wow. Alas 6:30 na po mga kalalabs. And lalabas ulit kami ni Papa Dave to have our dinner. And then after the dinner, we will charge the car, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Maaga kaming babiyahe tomorrow. What time we're leaving the hotel tomorrow?
7:30.
Oh, 7:30. Yes. Kailangan naming bumiyahe ng maaga because we need to pick up Nicole around 3:30. Is that right? 3:30 p.m. sa church. And then we know that we need to stop for have like breakfast
And charging.
and then charging. So I think we will charge the car twice tomorrow also, right?
Yeah.
So sa mga ganyan, so kailangan namin talagang maaga umalis.
Maybe once because we're charging
Tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. So, but we will stop twice, right, love? Because breakfast and then charging. So, I think we will stop twice. Nandito na kami sa restaurant, mga kalalabs. Let's check what can we order. And this is a beautiful, restaurant. Good job, love, to find a good restaurant.
Really?
Yeah, this is a Zia's restaurant, mga kalalabs. Check lang kami ng order namin. Sakto, gutom na rin ako. Alam niyo naman, gutomin is life. Look at your salad, love.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, looks good.
It does look good, but I'm
Yeah.
worried that's only the salad and I'm already full.
Alam niyo mga kalalabs, yung order namin is the party of 2. So, $85 siya. May kasama siyang pangalito salad, and then it comes with the steak only, right, love? Steak and prawns.
Steak, fries, and pork.
Oh my God, and chicken? Oh my God, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my God, they have a big dito. They love to serve a big portion. Pag pupunta kayo ng Penticton or Okanagan, you will ask them how big is the portion kasi malaki talaga yung portioning nila. Try natin tong...
What do we call that? Fish?
Where's that?
Portugal.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. That's
We order big portions.
Yeah, but at least it's fish. Kain tayo mga kalalabs. Salad. Caesar salad. I love Caesar salad. Very simple. Ito na talaga yung pinaka malalaking portion ng pagkain. Ayan, so meron siyang pork, beef, and chicken, and prawns, salad, potatoes, rice, and gulay. Ayan, kain po.
It is roast carrots.
Kain po. Carrots, let's try. It's not roasted.
Fried?
It's fried. It's like kind of like a boiled carrots that they put something on it. Yeah, it's sweet. This is
It's a nice side dish.
cabbage. It's good.
Pork is nice.
Yeah. Okay. I-enjoy na lang natin tong ating pa-dinner mga kalalabs. Actually, really good food. And a good portion for 2 people. It's worth of the $85, honestly.
That'd be a lot more at home.
Yeah. There's rice. Yan. Tapos, we will have pork. And then, steak. Is this a steak? Oh, no, this is steak. Oh, no, this is the steak. Oh, it's not cut, so later. Anyway, kain po. Kain tayo. That is good. Sarap. I feel like this one it's good for 3 or 4 people. Right? This is not for 2. It's a lot. Tingnan nyo tong car mga kalalab. So, ang cute. Pulang-pula siya. Tapos na kami nag-dinner mga kalalabs. This restaurant's really good. They have a big portion. Yung kalahati nung namin, dinner namin, tinake out na lang namin kasi hindi namin kayang ubusin. Sobrang full house sila. So, if you're coming here, especially Saturday, kailangan yung mag-book ng reservation para meron kayong available na table. Meron naman silang dito, pwede kayo dito sa labas. Kaso nga lang umuulan. And lumamig na naman. Pick upin daw ako ni Papa Dave. Yan yung asawa kong napakabait. Sabi niya, pick upin na lang kita para hindi ka mabasa. Pero mababasa pa rin naman ako. Hello! Para! How's your dinner, love?
Very filling.
They
Why did
love.
we order that?
I know. No, actually, even we ordered a separate one. They're
That's
really
why I
a big.
was thinking that.
Yeah, it's a big
The price
portion.
too is the same.
Yeah, it's a big portion mga kalalabs. Kaya, they love a really big portion here. Kasi, even last night, it's a big portion. Sa Vancouver, hindi siya ganun with the price. Like, talagang sakto sa one person. But for some reason, they love a big portion here. They will get full with one order. Kahit isang order lang, okay na. Maghati na lang kayo ng kasama nyo. Kung hindi kayo, yung gutom na gutom. Kasi kami ni Papa, din maliit yung bituka namin. Hindi kami pwede sa buffet. We're not allowed to eat at the buffet because our stomach or thing is small. But anyway, it's raining now. I'll be ending na rin yung vlog natin dito mga kalalab. So, sana po ay na-enjoy nyo yung vlog natin dito sa Penticton o Okanagan. Sobrang na-enjoy din namin. Did you enjoy it, love? Yeah?
Beautiful trip.
Yeah, beautiful
We
trips.
accomplished everything.
Yes.
The rain didn't destroy our time.
Yeah.
It actually made it more interesting.
It's perfect timing kasi
And when it rains like this, it's okay.
Yeah. So let's hope that tomorrow is
Not
not
so
raining.
crazy.
Yeah, because last time nung papunta dito sobrang lakas ng ulan. So let's pray for that na clear yung sky tomorrow. So yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again tomorrow, mga kalalabs. Love you all. Bye-bye.